Just do it!
It's time to do it, folks. It's time to do it. We're going to do it today. We're going to do it today. I got some good ones today. I'm going to go over my shout-outs, and then I'm going to go over stupid laws, but not just the USA. Today I'm going to do one for London, England, and one for Australia. And if you're really lucky, I might give you one for the USA, because I always got something to say. I got something to say. Today I'm going to make a cocktail that's called the Virgo. Why is it called the Virgo? Because it's September. It is September. I think it's September, right? August 21st, September 21st. Who knows? It's September, and I am a Virgo, and I wore my shirt last week, and it said I'm a Virgo, and I'm a grumpy man. I'm not grumpy. There's no grumpiness in this fat old body, okay? Yeah, today we go, my shout-outs. Deborah's Delicious Dishes. Deborah, keep putting them out there. They'll pile up, but just keep putting them out there. You're doing great. And Jim Kitch's Kitchen. Jim, my shirt says I'm a member of the Piss and Moan Club. I piss and moan all day long, Jim. Just want you to know that. And I really like your elephant ears that you made. And your caramel apple butter. There you go, Jim. Those were my shout-outs. I got their names down below. And this one here says Deborah's Delicious Dishes. And this one here says Jim's Kitch's Kitchen. There you go. Did I do that on the right hand? I hope I did. I hope I did. So here we go. Stupid laws. In London, England, it is illegal for a city cab to carry rabid dogs or corpses in their cabs. So whatever you do, make sure you're not dead or you don't have a rabid dog with you, because you're not getting in that cab.
No, against the law.
That's for my girls, the Brick Girls. Brick Girls go stateside. That's for them. And for my buddies down there in Australia, let's talk cocktails. And Andrew K. at Angry Cocktails. In Australia, it is illegal to name any pet you plan to eat. So if you have a chicken and you've had them around a while, do not name them, because it is possible that you might be eating them. You might be able to name him Chicken, because that's what he is a chicken. Or if you feel like eating Roo, don't name him, call him Roo, okay? So that's it. That's it for the laws for the England and every place else in the world that's not there. And I'll give you one for the United States. It is illegal to walk down the street in Utah, Salt Lake City, carrying a violin in a paper bag. So do not put a violin in a paper bag, because you don't have to name that tune. There you go. Today I'm going to make the Virgo. And since I need this, I'm going to pour in some lemon juice. I mixed that with simple syrup already.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
So it's 2 ounces of lemon juice, 1 ounce of simple syrup. And 1 ounce of gin. And 1 ounce of vodka. But let's put in an ounce of
vodka.
Oh, it's not. I call it wrong all the time. It's clear. I can see through it. 1 ounce of.
That's more than 1 ounce.
Yeah, that's 1.5. That's exactly what I wanted to pour.
Oh, okay.
1.5. And Cointreau. Half an ounce of Cointreau. Whoa, baby.
You want me to get the vodka? Are you going to
No,
add
no
it?
vodka, no
Okay.
vodka, no vodka.
You had it on your mind.
Half an ounce, vodka's always on my mind.
I guess.
I drink vodka. We go through a lot of vodka. We do.
We do.
A lot of vodka. Half an ounce of Apricot Brandy. And also I'm going to put in 1 egg white. I hope it wasn't a jumbo egg. Haven't had jumbo eggs in a long time. Why? Because they're jumbo. I'm going to shake here for a bit, so I'll be right back. Now I shook it, dry shook it, and then I put ice in it. I shook it again. So this is a very shaken drink. Very shaken. So here we go.
Looks like milk. Oh, perfect. Right to the top. Yay! Good
That's
job.
looking good. That's looking good. That is looking so good.
Woo!
That is looking so good. That's a good looking damn drink. That's a damn good looking drink.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to get it right to the last drop.
Oh. Well, you can see the foam.
Yeah. It's risen. It is risen. You know why it's risen? Because it is.
Garnish.
Garnish. Karen said garnish.
The famous giraffe.
Gerard, it's Gerard the giraffe for garnish again. He likes to hang around. He likes to hang around, this giraffe.
He's our bud.
Got milk?
Almost.
You got milk? Now, let me tell you about this drink.
Okay.
I think it needs a little bit more rum.
Oh,
I think it needs some more rum.
surprise.
It needed some more rum. I'm not gonna, maybe I can put my stir in there and stir it up a little.
Needs more rum, huh?
Needed more rum.
It was too bland or what?
Well, you know me, I like it strong.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah. That's good. I really like that. So 2 ounces of rum, folks, not 1.5 ounces. And don't call rum vodka, because it gets pissed off. That's probably why I needed more. So anyhow, Cocktail Tony signing off, and as usual, I'm going to say get a vaccine, say hello to your mama, wear a mask. Well, I used to say, don't forget, wear a mask, social distance, get a vaccine, call your mama, Cocktail Tony, over and out.